fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, good evening.
Evening.
The most commonly used phrase since time immemorial, saints and philosophers cutting across region and religions have always used this phrase, take it easy. It is not so as easy to follow as it is said. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So let me tell my case. In 1993, I was taking my final year medicine practical exams. In the exams, we will be provided a patient. We have to examine the patient, find out the diagnosis and suggest the possible treatment. And I was given the patient. I examined the patient. I could not find any problems with it. Started worrying. Once again I examined. Once again twice. I was not able to find any problem in that patient. I started shivering. And what I did was, I stealthily left the exam room in front of me. And I was so upset and I went to the bus stand. To my surprise, in the bus stand, I saw one of my friends, Jitendra Rai, who was supposed to take the exams along with me. The moment I saw him, I understood it's the same story with him also. And finally, both of us took it very easy. But this a young visionary, Lord C. Smedley, saw people finding it very difficult to take it on the stage, to take it easy on the stage. So he started a small club in the basement of YMCA building in 1952, called as the Toastmasters International. So with this humble beginning, now the Toastmasters International movement has spread across 106 countries with more than 30,000 clubs, creating innumerable leaders and many leaders around the anvil. But this for the benefit of the guests, let me explain a typical Toastmaster meeting. It consists of 3 sessions. The first session is the prepared speech session. Here the speaker delivers the speech based on the project guidelines of the competent communication manual. Hence it is called as the prepared speech session. The second session is the most exciting session, called as the table session. Here the speakers will be given a topic and they have to speak impromptu for 2 minutes. It is a practice session to talk on the field. And the third session is the most important session of the Toastmaster meeting. It's called as the evaluation session. It gives us a positive feedback where the club and the speaker stands. So for today we have a Toastmaster as general evaluator who speaks, his words are like, comes out like a pearls in a string, and is like a snake charmer, and whenever he talks the audience starts to nod. He is an eloquent speaker. Welcome Toastmaster Rajdeep Manwani.